Nowadays we have an Android app for everything, but the downside of this is that some apps say something and they do the exact opposite. So guys, don't worry, JT Jones here back with another video, and in this video we will see top 4 apps that you should not install on your Android device. Let's get started.
Quick Pick used to be a friendly and easy to use photo gallery app. It was never flashy, but new features and constant updates saw it grow a well-sized user base. But why is it bad? It was bought by Cheetah Mobiles last year, and immediately it started sending or uploading user data to their own servers. So is there any alternatives for the same? Yes, there are. There are many alternatives, but then I would suggest two of them: Google Photos and Asus Gallery app, which I personally use. The second app is ES File Explorer. This might be a shock for you guys because it is very popular. Why is it bad? Because it used to be good years ago, but now with constant update it has become an app full of bloatware and adware. You can also use alternatives like ZArchiver, which is free and contains no ads. UC Browser, the most popular Android browser in China and India, which claims to be the fastest browser in the world and that it will save data usage. But why is it bad? User search queries are sent to Yahoo India and Google. Users IMSI number, IMEI number, Android ID and Wi-Fi MAC are sent to UMake, which is Alibaba's analytical tool. Not just that, users' geolocation including their latitude and longitude are sent to AMaps, which is Alibaba's mapping tool. What should you use? I personally would suggest Firefox and Google Chrome because at least they are transparent about what they are doing. But you can also use a web browser called Lightning Web Browser. Clean It, a junk cleaner that has been installed 10 million times and has an overall rating of 4.6. This is the same reason why we have trust issues in our life. Sorry for the bad joke. Why is it bad? Because most of the things that it claims to be good for your phone is not good for your phone at all. As clearing cache will ultimately slow your phone and clearing ROM will only lead to more battery usage. What should you use instead? Greenify is an app which works on both rooted and non-rooted devices, and I would suggest you guys to use that. I hope you will uninstall all these apps. That's it for this video guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more some tech videos. Till then, it's Jones and I'm signing off.